We interrupted our normal program for an emergency broadcast. Please stand by for any further information. People, it is now time. Yes, you saw it right. The Doomsday clock just hit into midnight, which means that we are now doomed. The real reason the Doomsday clock hit midnight is because there's going to be an apocalypse in the next hour. Nobody will be able to escape from this. Please note that the apocalypse will be actually a huge impact, which means there will be any explosion, and even meteorites are going to impact the Earth, showing no mercy whatsoever. When this impact starts, everyone will be dead due to the explosions and all those impacts. This means that you only have an hour to live, so please take advantage of it. Enjoy your last moments while they last. Live all the stuff you think you need. If you are religious, you may pray to your Lord and ask for any forgiveness. If you are not religious, then you may do some stuff that entertain you one last time. Cherish any moment you lived with your loved ones. Tell them how much you love them and to see them in heaven. Hang out with them until this impact starts. Here at the BBC, we thank you for all of your support and the times you watched us. We really appreciate for being with you over the years, but sadly, all good things must come into an end. We really hope that your decks will be as good as they can be. May the Lord save you all, and may the Lord save our Queen.